Good morning everyone. Today I will discuss about polynomial of chapter 2. In our previous class you learned about expansion and various operation on them. First topic, constant. A symbol having fixed numerical value is called constant. For example, 5 comma minus 7, 5 upon 8 comma pi, etc. All of these constant. And another variable, a symbol which may be assigned different numerical value is called variable. For example, if circumference of circle denoted by c is equal to 2 pi r, circumference of circle c is equal to 2 pi r. Perimeter of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Here 2 and pi are constant and c comma r are variables. Another algebraic expression, a combination of constant and variable connected by sum of all of operation plus minus into and division is known as algebraic expansion. Terms, the several part of an algebraic expansion separately by plus or minus operation are called the term of expansion. Example, 4 plus 9x plus 5x square y plus 3 upon 8 xy is an algebraic expression. These term of algebraic expression 4 comma 9x comma 5x square y and 3 upon 8 xy, these are term of algebraic expansion. There are 4 terms. Polynomials, an algebraic expansion in which the variable involved have non-negative integral power is called polynomial. For example 4 plus 5x plus 7x square plus 2x power 3 plus 2 upon 3 x power 4. These are called polynomial. And coefficient of polynomial. In the polynomial 5x power 3 minus 4x square plus 6x minus 3, in the polynomial coefficient of x cube, x square and x variable, coefficient of given polynomial 5x power 3 minus 4x square plus 6x minus 3. In given polynomial coefficient of x cube, coefficient of x square and coefficient of x are 5 comma minus 4 and 6. These are coefficient of numerical value. These numerical value are called coefficient of x cube, x square and x. Degree of a polynomial in one variable. In case of polynomial in one variable, the highest power of variable is called degree of polynomial in one variable. For example, 2x plus 3 is given equation is polynomial in term of x has 1 degree. This is x power 1. So x polynomial in x degree of 1. Degree of polynomial in 2 or more variable. In case of polynomial in more than one variable, the sum of the power of variable in each term up, and the highest sum so obtained is called the degree of the polynomial more than 2. For example, 7x power 3 plus 5x square y square plus 3xy plus 6y plus 8 have sum of variable. Highest power of sum of variable is called degree of polynomial of 2 variable. This is x square and y square. Sum of power of variable 2 variables, 2 plus 2 4. Polynomial have 4 degree. Various types of polynomial. Degree of polynomial of various degree. First, linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. For example, 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. Power of variable power of 1. This is linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. For example 4x square plus 3x plus 2. This is called quadratic polynomial. And third, cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. For example, 3x power 3 plus 4x square plus x plus 1. This is called cubic polynomial because maximum power of x having 3. This is called cubic polynomial. And last, biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. For example, x power 4 plus 3x square plus 2x x power 4 plus 3x power 3 plus 2x plus x plus 1. This is called quadratic polynomial because polynomial having variable maximum power 4. This is biquadratic polynomial. Number of term in polynomial. First, monomial. A polynomial containing one term is called monomial. For example 3x, comma x, y, etc. These are called monomial. Second, binomial. A polynomial containing two terms is called a binomial. For example 2x plus 3 or 7x plus 2 upon 3. These are called binomial. These are two terms, first term, second term, containing two terms. Trinomial. A polynomial containing three terms is called trinomial. For example 3x plus 5y plus 3. 3x plus 5y plus 3, first term, second term and third term. This is called trinomial. And constant polynomial. A polynomial containing one terms only consisting of a constant is called constant polynomial. For example 5, 7 upon 3. This is constant polynomial. Thanks.